Can I install Homebrew without sudo privileges? Homebrew nicely allows package installations without sudo privileges, but it seems that I need admin privileges to install Homebrew itself. I'd like to install Homebrew in a Mac environment where I don't have sudo or admin privileges. Is this possible?
In case somebody is still looking for this in 2020 and beyond, yes, this is possible without root privileges. The above allows you to install Homebrew anywhere. Make sure that you add homebrew/bin to your $path. More information about this alternative installation method is available in Brew's installation instructions.
Yes. I modified the install script to not use sudo and to use a directory of your choice. This URL. Download that, set your _home in the script to the absolute path. Chmod +x, the script. Create the your _home/user/local directory. Then, execute the script. In .bash_profile, I set, I'm not positive this is important, pretty sure. Now I can. Make sure the bin directory, your _home +/user/local/bin is on your $path.
No. Unless you do significant surgery. The reason is that Homebrew strongly insists on installing packages into /user/local. In fact, even if you forced it to install somewhere else, you are likely to break dependencies when you use brew install to install packages. Most if not all of these packages are pre-compiled and linked expecting to live in /user/local. The reason for this insistence is that /user/local is precisely where POSIX recommends that stuff like this gets installed. In order to create /user/local, Homebrew needs temporary admin credentials to create the directory and assign ownership. This, in turn, is what allows you to install anything else without elevating credentials.
To install Homebrew without sudo, restart terminal and run.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.